So Nev, difficult game. It was always going to be. What are your thoughts after it?
Well, obviously, when you get beat 6-1 at home, it's it's not very good, Steve. As you say, the lads are down in there. It probably flattered on the 6-1 did. When it was 2-1, we were still in the game, and we've let ourselves down the last 15-20 minutes by the sloppy goals we conceded. But you take nothing away from Connah, they're top of the league, they're full time, they've got a great squad there, and it's always going to be difficult. But when you go 3 or 4-1 down, you just shut up shop and you don't concede again. But we went to look to score the goals the other end, and when you do that and you leave yourselves open, you've let the last 2 goals were poor from our point of view. So we're disappointed with that, because as you say, up to 2-1, and a lot of decisions they haven't gone for us again tonight. I didn't think theirs was a penalty, and then Rio gets bundled over and he never gave it. And I think the big turning point was the 3rd goal. It was handball. Everyone in the ground could see it was handball. It was out free kick, and he gave a throw into Connah, and they scored from it. So it went 3-1, and it virtually killed the game. And they've gone on and with a full-time team they are, and and the position they're in, and they give us a bit of a whipping in the end. But as you say, we've just got to pick ourselves up now and regroup and go again.
Going into the half-time break, Aber had chances in that first half. Maybe on another day could have been ahead. When you're going into that second half, were you feeling quite positive?
Yeah, definitely. We changed our system halfway through the first half because obviously it wasn't working, and once we'd done that, we got back in the game, and we were a constant threat going forward. And we said even half time, I said, we keep playing the way we are and getting in behind them, chances will come. And until the 3rd goal, it was an even game. And then obviously we concede off the long throw, which we knew all about what they were going to do with the long balls in the box, and we had to try and deal with it better, and we never. And Michael Wilde scored the 3rd goal, which virtually killed the game. But I go back, if the referee does his job, it's handball, and it's not a throw into Connah. And you look at the penalty in the first half. The lad sort of kicked he's kicked himself, and he's gone down. He's pointed to the spot, and without us, making any. The last month of the games we've had, so the decisions have gone against us, and it does even itself out over the season. But it's really cost us some of the decisions have, and there's nothing you can do about it. You get some, you don't get some, and we've been on the receiving end of quite a few. So we'll pick ourselves up. We've got as you say, we've got a small squad of players in there, and they're hurting because you don't like getting beat 6-1 at home. But Connah are on a good run. I watched them against Bala the other day, and they played really well there and could have had more goals. So we've got to pick ourselves up and dust ourselves down, and we're off to Barry next Saturday for another tough game.